Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the home vlog, I want to share with you all my 40th birthday celebration. Yes, your girl turned 40 and I feel great. You know, 40 is a milestone. People expect for you to feel different, like all of a sudden things change right after 39, but honestly it doesn't. I feel just as young and vibrant as I did before I turned 40. So because it was a milestone birthday, I really wanted to just make the most of it. And the first thing I wanted to do was a photo shoot. You know, I wanted to have like photos that I could look back on to basically, you know, commemorate this moment. My birthday color was red. I wanted to do the theme red hot. So for the photo shoot, I wanted my outfits to have red, be pops of red. I wanted it to just look really, you know, elegant and glam. And we'll go through that here. So as you guys can see, my photographer did an amazing job. He was really good with the direction. I also had Jalen there. Jalen was my assistant. She made sure that everything was in place, you know, during my photo shoot, because hey, that's what daughters do, right? And after the photo shoot, you guys will see us ease into my birthday dinner, which was the following weekend. Let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army king, they call me. Come find the key, baby. Baby, I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it.
Do something like
We go to LA, I lock in, I'm in Challenge.
look at the camera too.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, do it, do it.
So my birthday dinner, I wanted it to be in a private room. I wanted it to be very intimate. I wanted to be able to decorate it myself, and I decided to go with this place. It's called Snap Thai Fish House, also known as Snap Thai Restaurant. It is in Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia. A really, really, really nice spot. Really good food.
Hello, we are at Washington. Told me to say hey.
Angelique? I already know. Zipporah? It's my birthday. The ambiance, the customer service, everything was really nice, and I couldn't be happier with this celebration. And you know, where I am at this point in my life, and all of the people that are in it with me in this moment. So I'm just sharing that with you guys.
Get it, boo. Get it, boo. Oh, go. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeannie. Happy birthday to you. I gotta make a wish. Yes.
A long wish.
She on now.
after the dinner, we actually, my boyfriend and I left to go out of the country to celebrate my birthday, and that will be in a separate vlog outside of this one. But I hope you all enjoy it, and if you are in your 40s and up, I am now joining you guys in the 40 club. Getting my first mammogram at 40. Well, that was fast. All right, guys. I just left out of my mammogram appointment. My very first mammogram completed. It was better than I expected it was going to be. I didn't know what to expect. I've seen so many things and so many memes and so many, you know, the smashing of the boobs, y'all, but you know, they squeeze them down in a little machine, a little flat, you know what I'm saying? It was like, it was more so pressure. It wasn't pain. It didn't hurt or anything. So I was like, oh, this is better than what I had anticipated. Which is why you can't be listening to other people's experiences. You got to have your own. So I'm glad that it's done. I have to wait for my results, which hopefully are going to be great. I guess that's the anticipation part that you never know. But first mammogram appointment is completed. Baby, they didn't wait no time until I turned 40. Like, are my lips ashy? I feel like my lips ashy. As soon as I turned 40, they was calling to schedule me a mammogram appointment, okay? I hadn't even turned 40 yet before I had the appointment scheduled. But okay, but you know what? Hey, good shout out to my doctor, I guess. I'm hungry now. I'm ready to go find something to eat. I've been anticipating this. I'm hungry. Good morning. Happy New Year, because this is my first vlog of the new year. So it is Saturday morning. I am out and about, and I decided to switch it up today. We went to, let me see. We went to McDonald's and got a caramel frappe with extra caramel drizzle. Jalen's over here. I don't know why she be doing that. Like, why do you be doing that? She got a big one. But anyway, I'm about to run up.
Yeah, here's mine.
I'm about to run up in Einstein and get my what I order? Ham and Swiss bagel on Asiago instead of 6 cheese. I usually get 6 cheese, but I have a lot to do today, a lot of errands that I need to run. We're gonna organize. We're gonna start organizing my closet, y'all. My closet, first thing of the new year, that is the first project of the new year that I want to tackle, and that is getting my closet back together. At least for the most part, cleaning out the middle of the floor and getting like the clothes and stuff that I don't want, putting those in a little bag. We're gonna take them over to the Goodwill. Yeah, so that is my plan for the weekend. It's snowing. It's snowing outside. So we turned the fireplace on. We're watching a movie, but taking a pause while Jalen washes dishes. We just finished eating breakfast. I put the Christmas tree on. Yes, today is January the 10th of the night. Let's take a peeky peek outside. So this is what it looks like outside. It is fully snowing. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. So yeah. Y'all, we are eating cookies. Jalen made white chocolate macadamia cookies. Got my almond milk. Y'all know we keep it almond around here. We're watching Santa Claus Part 2. We already watched one earlier. And then after this one goes off, we're going to watch Part 3. So we're doing the whole series while we eat our cookies.
Since we're snowing. And I'm helping her.
Yeah, we've been on the couch all day. So this is what it is. Jalen been out here making TikToks. But I want to show y'all the icicle. I don't want to fall and hit my butt. But it's so pretty. Do you guys see the icicles on the tree? I think this is my first time actually seeing icicles. That is gorgeous in real life. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's the next day. I'm out. really for work purposes of shipping something to a customer, but I want a coffee as well, so it's not too shabby. Just stay away from the edges. First place I go to when the snow started to melt, Dunkin' Donuts. The roads are not, it's a little icy. I'm gonna have to pay attention now because yeah, I am putting up all these Christmas candles. I am over it. I am currently burning watermelon lemonade. Smells so good. So my house is starting to smell like spring. All right, y'all, we just got back from where do we go? We just got back. It snowed yesterday. We just got back from Dunkin' Donuts. I went up to DD to get my coffee, and now I'm about to cook breakfast. So I'm gonna put some eggs on. I just finished making the meat. Oh, biscuits. My biscuits are in the oven. Y'all about to burn my biscuits up. Okay. So yeah, I put biscuits in the oven. We got sausage, bacon, and now I'm about to scramble up some eggs in the skillet. Yeah, the streets are clear. The streets are good. I don't like being stuck in the house. I like to go. So going out showed me, you know, that the streets are fine. I don't really have anywhere else to go. Now my eggs gonna be fried like that. I don't have anywhere else to go. Later on, we probably grab something to eat. Jalen wants me to make spaghetti linguine, which I could make it and save some money. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm gonna start taking my Christmas decoration down. Maybe not over there yet, but definitely in my front room. The black and white tree is coming down today. And then I'm gonna work in my closet on purging some stuff because it's time. All that stuff I've been buying for all these trips and stuff, I have nowhere to put like my regular clothes. So it's time for me to start purging. And make some more space in my closet too. I was looking at my closet tour video, you know, from way back when. And it's just a simple fact that my closet used to be so much more organized than it is now. It used to look so much better. So I kind of want to get it back to that place again. And I'm doing my eggs the quick and easy way. So you're going to see like yellow and white. I usually scramble it in the bowl, but I don't feel like messing up no more dishes, y'all. The less dishes we have, the better. So this is the same skillet that I actually fried the meat in, and then I clean it out really quickly. And yeah. Jay, you can come eat. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get some house things done today because I worked from home yesterday. So I usually, like, if I go to work, like today, I would feel like I need to relax. But yesterday, I actually had a relaxing day, you know, with it being snowing outside. Me and Jalen were watching all 3 parts of the Santa Claus, which was nice, you know, relaxing. I had the fireplace on. The Christmas tree that's still up was lit up in there, so that was cool. And it was just a chill day. So today I feel like actually, you know, getting stuff done. So I'm gonna start working on, I've ordered a well, I'll show you guys when we go upstairs. So I'm gonna holler back at y'all in a second. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is snowing again. The second time in 2 weeks, in less than 2 weeks. I'm making taco chili, so I figured I should show you guys how I'm making it. Right now, I just have ground turkey and onions in it. And then I poured 1 pack of original taco seasoning. And I might add a little bit of hot and spicy taco seasoning because, you know, we like it a little spicy. I'm over here following a recipe on YouTube because it's my first time making it. And then I have beef broth, rotel, chili beans, diced, tomatoes. What are these? Oh no, those are black beans. These are chili beans. I've got some tomato sauce, some kidney beans, and some corn. So I think it's gonna be so good. This is the chili, no special bowl because we're not washing dishes. I'm gonna throw some cheese on it. Jayla made some scrumptious cornbread. It looks really good.
Like if you don't want to do it with me, you don't want to, like, that's fine.
Kaylee needs to follow her intuition. Does she need to sit here and wait for that man to be ready? That is up to her. We can't tell her.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it.
Alright guys, so this is what the living room is looking like. We are almost there, not quite, but almost got it up.
Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew.